Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Blanis Grimsha William, Assistant Professor from CSE Department of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Unit 5. Software Maintenance. Software maintenance is a continuous process that occurs throughout the entire life cycle of the software system. The goal of software maintenance is to keep the software system working correctly, efficiently, and securely, and to ensure that it continues to meet the needs of the users. This can include fixing bugs, adding new features, improving performance, or updating the software to work with new hardware or software systems. It is also important to consider the cost and effort required for software maintenance when planning and developing a software system. It is important to have a well-defined maintenance process in place, which includes testing and validation, version control, and communication with the stakeholders. It is important to note that software maintenance can be costly and complex, especially for large and complex systems. Therefore, the cost and effort of maintenance should be taken into account during the planning and development phases of software project. It is also important to have a clear and well-defined maintenance plan that includes regular maintenance activities such as testing, backup, and bug fixing. Several key aspects of software maintenance are bug fixing, enhancements, performance optimization, porting and migration, re-engineering, documentation. Bug fixing: the process of finding and fixing errors and problems in the software. Enhancement: the process of adding new features or improving existing features to meet the evolving needs of the users. Then performance optimization: the process of improving the speed, efficiency, and reliability of the software. Then porting and migration: the process of adapting the software to run on new hardware or software platform. Then re-engineering: the process of improving the design and architecture of the software to make it more maintainable and scalable. Documentation: the process of creating, updating, and maintaining the documentation for the software, including user manuals, technical specification, and design documents. Several types of software maintenance: corrective maintenance, patching, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, preventive maintenance. Corrective maintenance: it involves fixing errors and bugs in the software system. Patching: it is an emergency fix implemented mainly due to pressure from management. Then adaptive maintenance: it involves modifying the software system to adapt to changes in the environment such as changes in hardware or software, government policies, and business rules. Perfective maintenance: this involves improving functionality, performance, and reliability and restructuring the software system to improve changeability. Then preventive maintenance: this involves taking measures to prevent future problems such as optimization, updating documentation, review and testing the system, then and implementing preventive measures such as backups. Categories of software maintenance: it is divided into many categories. First one is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance of a software product may be essential either to rectify some bugs observed while the system is in use or to enhance the performance of the system. Adaptive maintenance: this includes modifications and updations when the customers need the product to run on new platform, on new operating system, or when they need the product to interface with the new hardware and software. Then perfective maintenance: a software product needs maintenance to support the new features that the user wants to change. Then preventive maintenance: this type of maintenance includes modifications and updations to prevent future problems with the software. It goes to attend the problems which are not significant at this moment, but they may cause serious issues in the future. Thank you.